Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we will learn about volume and capacity. We will explore how they are connected and learn how to convert cubic units into milliliters and liters. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object. It is measured in cubic units, such as cubic centimeters and cubic meters. Capacity is the amount that a container can hold. It is usually measured in milliliters and liters. The capacity of a container is related to its internal volume. There are four important conversions to remember. 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 liters. These relationships allow us to convert between volume and capacity. To convert between cubic centimeters and milliliters, remember that 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. This means that the numerical value stays the same. For example, 250 cubic centimeters is equal to 250 milliliters. To convert milliliters to liters, divide by 1,000. To convert liters to milliliters, multiply by 1,000. For example, 2,500 divided by 1,000 equals 2.5. Therefore, 2,500 milliliters is equal to 2.5 liters. Let's look at example 1. A rectangular container has internal dimensions of 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Find its capacity in liters. First, calculate the internal volume of the container using length times width times height. 40 times 30 times 20 equals 24,000 cubic centimeters. Since 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter, 24,000 cubic centimeters equals 24,000 milliliters. To convert milliliters to liters, divide by 1,000. 24,000 divided by 1,000 equals 24. Therefore, the capacity of the container is 24 liters. Now, let's look at example 2. A container has a capacity of 3.5 liters. Find its internal volume in cubic centimeters. First, convert liters to milliliters by multiplying by 1,000. 3.5 times 1,000 equals 3,500 milliliters. Since 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter, 3,500 milliliters equals 3,500 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the internal volume of the container is 3,500 cubic centimeters. Finally, let's look at example 3. A water tank has a volume of 2.4 cubic meters. Find its capacity in liters. Use the conversion, 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 liters. To convert 2.4 cubic meters to liters, multiply 2.4 by 1,000. This gives 2,400 liters. Therefore, the capacity of the water tank is 2,400 liters. Remember, multiply by 1,000 to convert cubic meters to liters. To summarize, volume measures the amount of space occupied by an object, while capacity measures how much a container can hold. Volume is measured in cubic units, and capacity is usually measured in milliliters or liters. Remember, 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter, 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter, and 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 liters. Always check the required unit before writing the final answer. Thanks for watching. Thank you for learning with Maths with Mr. Chow. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe for more easy maths lessons. You can also watch another video to continue learning. See you in the next lesson.